been searching for a centre that covers all the primary English components? Are you shuttling your child around from one centre to another for tuition for all these components? Look no further. Your search ends here. Hi, I'm Ms. Tanam from RG Channel Future School, a school that covers all that your primary school child needs. Paper 1, which is the writing skills. Paper 2, language use and comprehension skills. Paper 3, listening, and Paper 4, oral. I can't emphasize enough the importance of acquiring all these skills to do well in the English subject. Creative writing alone takes up 40 marks and situational writing 15 marks, which totals up to 27.5% of Paper 1. Language use takes up 52 marks, comprehension 43 marks, a total of 95 marks and 47.5% of Paper 2. The marks weightage for listening comp is 20 marks, which is 10%. Oral skills 30 marks, 15%. I'm breaking this up for you to have a clearer picture of the importance of acquiring all skills in order for your child to do well in English. And we at RG Channel have all that your child needs at one stop. Your search ends here. We at RG Channel use our very own specialized worksheets. For 2 hours a week, the lessons are power-packed to help your child get the boost that he needs to have the vocab and ideas to create and develop ideas. Loads of practices on grammar and comprehension skills, monthly practices and intensive oral workshops where all oral exams are simulated and testing is done in our very own special oral rooms. Parents, you need to look for 2 important features in a centre. We excel in both curriculum and teachers. All our teachers are ex-MOE teachers, but more than that, they've been with RG for years. That speaks about the quality of teachers at RG Channel. They are caring, committed, experienced and passionate. Not only about the subject, but about the teaching and about their students. Look no further. Your search ends here. We've got the complete curriculum for your child to do well in English. A top-notch in-house curriculum, experienced and nurturing teachers. Many centres in Singapore makes promises, but we keep them because we've been around for 30 years. We at RG Channel not only know what it takes, but have what it takes to give your child that special learning environment where he would be motivated, nurtured, and empowered. So once again, remember, your search ends here. We are the specialists at RG Channel Future School. Call this number, click the link, and talk to us today.